Hi, it's Tina and Tim again, and we're still on the topic of child protective services. So there's two phrases that are used in child protective services, right, Tim? I think one of them is maltreatment and the other is neglect. Can you please tell us what they mean and what the differences are?
So maltreatment means that you are just not coming to a level that's really good parenting or really meeting the needs of the child. Usually it's isolated at a lower threshold. It's not as severe. Neglect means it's really over a very long period of time or a substantial amount of time, or what we call protracted. And then what we're looking at is that you're purposefully, there's something there that is really a detriment to this child that's creating very serious issues. That's neglect, failure to provide. Where maltreatment, you just might have missed something or it doesn't quite get too serious.
Great. Thanks for the answer and response. Until next time, don't forget to like us on our page along with subscribing.